Chloe. Robert. I am in love.
In love. With who, Johnny?
Her name is Daisy. She is a beautiful dog.
Here we go again.
Every evening I go under her balcony, and I sing a song for her.
A song. That is so sweet.
Tell me about the evening, Johnny. What do you see?
There is a moon. A big, white moon. There are stars. Many, many stars. There is a balcony. And there is Daisy.
Good, Johnny. Now listen. This is the lesson and it is easy. When there is one thing, we say there is. There is a moon. There is a balcony. One thing. When there are many things, we say there are. There are stars. There are flowers. Many things. One thing, there is. Many things, there are.
So, there is one moon, and there are many stars.
Exactly, Chloe. There is one moon. There are many stars.
There is one Daisy. And there are 100 other dogs Johnny loved.
Milo. Daisy is different.
You always say that.
Johnny, sing the song for us. Please.
Okay. Listen. There is a moon, there are the stars. There is a garden, there are the flowers. There is one dog, so sweet and fine. Her name is Daisy. Oh Daisy, be mine.
Johnny, that is beautiful.
And now you know, there is one Daisy, but there are many words to learn.
There is one problem. Daisy is asleep.
I will sing again tomorrow.
Of course you will.